In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best SMMA niches to go after and how to get new clients for your agency. I know that a lot of you guys are either new agency owners or maybe existing agency owners struggling to find new clients. And so I'm going to share a breakdown of the best SMMA niches that you should go for and how we are going to get them. So for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Jordan. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, if you want to learn how to grow your agency, as always, drop a thumbs up on this video to show love for the algorithms. Let's jump right into it. All right, so number one, the best SMMA niche to go after is simply a proven niche that other 6- and 7-figure agency owners are already currently getting results for. See, there's no reason to reinvent the wheel or go try to create something new when you can just literally look at what people are doing and what is currently working right now and simply going after that niche, right? So there are a ton of niches out there. I would do a quick research on other agency owners, maybe join my free Facebook group and just ask, hey, what niches are you guys having success with? And you're going to see agency owners reply with what niches they're working with. And from there, you can kind of collect that data and figure out what niche to go after. A lot of new agency owners are, constantly in thinking and trying to figure out what is the best niche to go after, right? When the best niche is right in front of you. And if you don't know, you can simply just ask, right? So join the free Facebook group that I have. It's for you to connect with myself and other agencies all around the world. We actually are coming up on 10,000 members inside that Facebook group. So make sure you join if you want to be able to ask, if you want to be able to connect with other people in the space. Now, you might be wondering, Jordan, if I'm going, after the same niche as everybody else, is it too saturated, right? And that's another question that I get from a lot of agency owners is it too saturated? The market is only considered saturated when there is money to be made in that market, right? If it's not saturated, it probably means there's not a whole lot of money in that industry or market to be made. So it's actually a good thing to get a piece of the pie of something that's saturated than to go out and try to figure out something new and create a new market for yourself, right? But what you can do to stand out is actually coming up with a better offer. So there are going to be agency owners with these proven niches and things like that, and you might feel that it's too saturated. The way you can stand out from everybody else is creating an offer that's going to make you unique and different, right? So whether it's a better offer, maybe it's a more unique offer, maybe you have a better guarantee, maybe you're cutting your prices compared to other marketing agencies, right? So there are multiple different ways for you to stand out. And I actually created a whole video training on how to create an irresistible offer for SMA in my last video. So make sure you check out my YouTube channel and you'll be able to figure out how to create an irresistible offer for your agency. Number 2 on the SMA niche list is simply pain management services, right? So we have neuropathy, we have chiropractic, we have spinal decompression, we have stem cells. These are all very unique niches. These are all, under the scientific medical niches where if you're able to get them a client, it is worth a lot, right? And so when you are able to bring value to a business, you're able to charge for that. And the cool thing about these guys is that they're constantly looking for new ways to generate more leads, right? Because their services is more unique. Their services are going to be more affluent compared to, your local mom and pop shop, because one new customers for these guys can be worth thousands of dollars depending on what the patient needs. Doctors, medical devices, those things are always in demand because people are always, having to work on their health for, whatever issues. So if you're able to bring value to these niches, you're going to become a very valuable asset to their company, and they're going to be more than happy to pay you every single month. For this type of niche, you would need to figure out how to efficiently and effectively bring generating leads for these doctors, right? Because once you get them results, they're never going to leave you. The third best niche to go after is simply local service-based businesses. And this is how I've been able to scale my agency from zero all the way past $1 million within the past 3.5 years, all through this niche right here. And I just believe that this is so powerful because there are constantly tons and tons of businesses here in the US, right? And everywhere around the world as well. But local service-based businesses will never go out of business. There's always going to be existing ones who are constantly growing. And then there's going to be new businesses, new business owners that are getting on there as well. So there's no reason for you to not tap into this market. And this is how I've been able to scale my agency. And even then, I am still considered, I would say, maybe a small to medium fish in the market, which means that there is a ton of availability for everybody, enough business for all all marketing agencies, right? So what I like to look at is, I'll look at local service-based businesses and I'll see who is running Google ads, right? So we have your plumbers, we have your auto detailing, we have your law firms, we have your landscaper, hardscapers, construction, just a ton of local business, dentists, right? So you can literally, one of the questions that I get a lot is, hey Jordan, is this a good niche to go after for Google ads? And the simple answer to that is go to Google ads and search up your niche in the search engine and see if there are other people running ads for it, right? So if there are other people running ads for your niche, that means there's money to be made. Otherwise, the people would not be running ads. And this goes back to what I was saying before. If it's considered saturated or if the market is running, then there's money to be made. But if you search up on Google for your niche and no one's running Google ads for it, there's not a whole lot of action going on with the paid ad side, then chances are it's not a good niche because there's no money to be made there. Yes, you can go in there, you can crush it, you can build something new. Obviously, that's going to take a little bit more figuring out, and there's pros and cons to that. But if you want to save yourself time and you want a surefire way of what's already currently working right now, then that's all you need to do. Search up on this, just use Google, use a search engine, see if people are running ads for it. If there is, then it is a good niche for it. Now I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to get clients. And this is going to work for if you're a new agency owner, if you're looking to start an agency, or maybe you are an existing agency that, you're kind of struggling to get past that 2 to 3 clients, struggling to retain your clients and things like that. So this is what I want you guys to do. When it comes to getting new clients, it comes down to a numbers game. And I really want you to understand that getting new clients is all a numbers game. The more people you talk to, the more people that you're going to book an appointment with. The more booked appointments that you get, the more clients that you'll get out of it. It all goes down to how many people you are reaching out daily, weekly, monthly, okay? And the more that we can talk to more people, the more sales that we will get. Whether it is when I first started out, you can either start writing emails to people, you can do walk-ins, you could, reach out to your Facebook friends and family, you can reach out to your friends and family through word, you can go door to door, you can go door knocking and things like that. But you get to a point where you can only talk to so many people in a day, right? You might be able to talk to 5 people, 10 people maybe. But what if we started setting up systems to do your cold emails where you can send up hundreds of thousands of outreaches a day? And same thing with DMs, right? Instagram DMs, Facebook DMs. These are all ways where you can do outreach in volume. So if we can send out thousands of outreach a day or even weekly, the chances of us being able to talk to more clients, potential clients, and more sales are going to happen. So here's what I want you guys to do. Every single day, I would like you guys to, first and foremost, you need to create your offer, okay? Your irresistible offer. Like I said, I've made a video previous, check it out, create your offer to stand out from other companies. Now, when it comes to outreach, I want you to do 50 to 100 outreaches every single day. This can be through across all platforms, your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Reddit, your, wherever your clients are hanging out, okay? So you want to figure out where your clients are hanging out. Are they on Instagram? Are they on Facebook? Are they on LinkedIn, right? If, for example, you want to work with med spas or coaches, right? These guys are probably going to be on Instagram a lot because they're sharing their befores and afters. They're documenting, their patient success and everything like that. So what you want to do is go on Instagram and simply send a DM, okay? You simply send them a DM. You like and comment on their most recent photo saying, check your DMs. From there, they check your DM, and assuming that you have a strong offer, then they're going to reply to you. And from there, you can set up a call and see how you can help them. Same for Facebook, right? If your clients are on Facebook, right? If they have a business page and whatnot, we can reach out to them on Facebook as well. I'd like for you to send out 50 to 100 outreach messages every single day for the next month, okay? And you should honestly see results within the first 1 to 2 weeks, but I want you guys to think more than that. Do a month and see how many clients you can sign from that. Tweak your offer, tweak your messaging, right? How can we make our outreaches better? How can we create a better offer? How can I approach better with my message? So constantly look at it as a game. Look at it as, how can I improve my open rate? How can I improve my reply rate? How can I improve my book call rate? So those are all things that you can be doing to getting more clients. And on top of that, I will say is, the more personalized your messages can be, then the better, right? So if you do a little bit of research, if you're going on Instagram, you see their page, you can say something nice, right? Throw a little compliment about about something that they've done, something they posted. Maybe you thought something was funny, you agreed with something, or maybe they just got an achievement, they shared a success. Mention something like that in your message and you're gonna get, improve your reply rate. So that's a little hack for you guys to get more of a response. And that's it, guys. Those are the best niches to go after in SMMA. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And right now, I'm currently actually helping agency owners grow their business through automated systems, handling your sales, your fulfillment, to your outreach methods. So if you're an agency owner looking to scale to $10,000 to $30,000 per month and you want to learn from a 7-figure agency earner, then I'm going to leave the details in the description below. You can check out the details and then you can book a call directly with me and you'll be able to hop on live calls directly with me, and I'll be able to walk you through on building systems and walking you through on building your whole agency. So that's something that you are interested in. I am taking on a limited amount of students just because I can only work with so many students, right? So if you are serious about it, you want to commit to growing your agency and you want to have a mentor walk you through it, that way you don't have to figure it out your own and putting time and money invested into your agency without seeing a lot of results and just constantly running into obstacles, then check out the mentorship. It's in the details below. Check it out and I'll see you guys in the call video.